Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how to fix Google error 400 in Google Chrome, or meaning there is a bad request error 400. Now for us to solve this issue, there are a few things that we can go ahead and do. The first thing is we need to make sure that our Google Chrome is up to date. Now for us to do that, all we need to do is to head on over to Google Chrome right here. Then we're going to be clicking on the three dots on the top right, and then we should be able to see help right here, and then we're going to be clicking on about Google Chrome. So go ahead and click on this. Now this will go ahead into the help section of the Google Chrome settings, and then if there is an update, then you should be able to see something updating right here. If there was an update right here, go ahead and update this, and then go ahead and click off or quit your Google Chrome and then restart your PC. Now this will go ahead and update Google Chrome entirely, and then hopefully that would have fixed the issue. Now if that doesn't work, another thing that you can go ahead and do is to go ahead and clear your cookies. Now to do that, all we need to do is to go into privacy and security. So once again, we're going to go into the settings. So if you can't find where that is, it will be right here once again on top right. And then we're going to go into settings. Now we're going to go into privacy and security right here. And then we're going to be going into delete browsing data. And then make sure that we have the cookies section ticked right here. If you don't want your browsing history to be deleted, then you can untick this, and then of course you can just go ahead and delete your cache as well, and then just go ahead and click delete data right here. You can also choose as to how long that will be, but if you want to get this fixed, then just go ahead and choose all time and then delete the data. Go ahead and quit Chrome once again, and then restart your PC. And finally, if that doesn't work, what you can go ahead and do is to go to your settings and then go to reset settings right here, and then just go ahead and reset everything into default. Now this will go ahead and delete such things right here, and then hopefully this would have fixed your bad request error 400. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.